Okay guys, this is what I use to make my chaka. I got some meat. I'm gonna clean it and marinate it and make a little sauce out of it. If you wanna know how I clean my meat and marinate my meat and make sauce and everything, I have a video on it on my channel. You can check it out. And after the meat, I have my pinto beans. I have my corn that grounded. There's all kind of grounded corn, as you know. There's some that grounded real fine, and there's this one to make chaka is the one that's not too fine. Okay, it's like I call it broken corn. And I have that squash. I get that squash because sometimes if I don't have time or to boil squash and blend them. So this one is already ready. They cook it, they blend it. All you gotta do after everything cooked, you just put it in it. Okay, and I have coconut milk. Okay, and this is another squash you can buy at the store. You see, this one is frozen. I'm not gonna use this one because the last time I used it, I have some left. I froze it. I'm gonna use the one that I froze. Okay, but you can buy that and peel it and boil it and blend it. Okay, so this one is the one I blend. All right, so that's what I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna use this too so I can show you how this look. All right, now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to, it depends how much you want. So me, I'm gonna do today 1 cup of beans, and I like a lot of beans in mine. I'm gonna do 1.5 cup of beans. I may do 1 cup of corn or 1.5 cup of corn. Okay. Okay. So now I have pouw, they call it green onion, and I have dry thyme. I have dry parsley. I have cloves, and I already washed my my beans and corn. So what I'm gonna do is just put it in the water. Okay, guys, I'm the only one that do the video, and okay, my hand is busy. So now I'm gonna put that. I don't see it. Okay, I'm gonna put that. This is the pouw, and I'm gonna put a little bit of thyme, dry. Okay, and this is the parsley. Put a little bit dry parsley. When I don't have fresh parsley, I use dry. And this is the cloves. I'm gonna put a few cloves of girofle. Okay, I don't like much. And this is it. You're gonna cover it and let it boil. It's gonna take time to boil. When it start cooking, we're gonna put our coconut. I will show you. Okay, put on your stove. All right, and I'll show you later the rest. Okay guys, now I have my meat here. It's boiling. Let me show you. Yes, it's boiling now. And I have my corn, my broken corn and beans. You see? You see? When you see the beans is break, and the corn, you can taste it to see if it's chewy. If you can chew it, it's cooked. You know? Now it's the time. I'll put my coconut milk. It's optional. You don't have to. Where I come from, we cook with coconut milk, but you don't have to put it if you don't cook with that. And this is the squash that's already been cooked. I get at the store. I'm gonna put it just like that. It's still a little bit frozen, but it's gonna melt. It's gonna melt. Okay, it's gonna melt. And this is the one that I froze. I'm gonna put it too. Okay, sorry if the camera is shaking because I'm doing it, and yeah, that's the leftover from it. Now you can stir it. You know, they're still frozen. They're gonna melt soon. Okay, and we let it boil, and then when our meat is good, you know, we make it as, you know, as cooked as we want it. You don't have to put tomato paste. All I'm gonna put is some tomato. I'm gonna cut some tomato and put on it just for taste. And then when I'm gonna put it on my chaka, I will let you see that. Okay, so right now everything is going really nice. All right, stay tuned. Please don't forget to give the video a like if you like it, and share with your friend, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Okay, guys, my meat is ready. Now I'm gonna put it in there. There we go. See, I'm just gonna put it in there like that. Just like that. And the last thing I'm gonna do, let me turn this off. Last thing I'm gonna do, like my grandma always do, is fry some onion. I fry some onion. I like it to almost burn. And then I'm gonna pour it in it. It gives the chaka a different taste. And then that's the finished part of it. You see? Good meat, you know. And look at my beans. It's not too watery. It's nice and thick. And that's it. Please give the video a like, share it, and comment. Let me know how you do it yourself. Thank you for watching.